Hello and welcome along to another lesson with Mr. Burns. In this lesson we are going to draw a line with equation y equals a or and x equals b, where a and b are a member of the real numbers, so all the numbers that exist on the number line. We will choose whole numbers for this lesson. Question 1 then, draw a simple diagram to show the equation y equals 4. Strategy. Draw a set of axes between -5 and 5 on the x-axis. So this is what this means here, right? Include -5 by the equals and all the x values in between -5 and 5 is represented here. Alright. And draw a set of axes -5 to 5 on the y-axis, okay? Right, so y in between all the values from -5 to 5. Since the question is asking about an equation, y equals 4, identify where y is equal to 4. So you've got some choices. You've got a 4 here, and you've got a 4 here. Which one's the y-axis, and which one is the x-axis? Y is equal to 4 here. That's coordinate 0, 4. Y is equal to 4 here. That's coordinate 1, 4. Y is equal to 4 here. That's coordinate 2, 4. Now it doesn't have to be right on a coordinate point. This is still y is equal to 4. Right, so it might be -1.5, 4. It might be -1.55, 4. But it's still y is equal to 4. There is also y is equal to 4. So you'll notice that this is all on a horizontal line. Y is equal to 4. There is a sketch or a drawing of the equation y is equal to 4. All the y values on that line are equal to 4, okay, between -5 and 5. Second question, draw a simple diagram to show the equation x is equal to 2. Why don't you pause the video and have a go at it yourself. Okay, so the strategy, you can draw a set of axes between -5 and 5 for the x and the y, and then identify where x is equal to 2. Let's start on the x-axis, since this is what we're talking about. We're talking about the x-axis here. X is equal to 2. So that's 2, 0, 2, -4. Again, it doesn't have to be on that perfect coordinate point. That could be 2 and then 1.3 up, or 1.4 up. 2, -1, and 2, -2. Okay, so you'll see this is drawn out for us a vertical line. Okay, so there you have it. There is the equation x is equal to 2 on a coordinate axis. Okay. Now, what about -2? What about x is equal to -2? What would this look like? Have a think. Is that what you thought? A vertical line going through all the values where x is equal to -2. X must be -2. Now here's a trickier question. Where do the lines y equal to 4 and x equal to -2 meet? Okay, so strategy, -5 to 5 on both the x and the y-axis, using two equations that we've met earlier in the video. Y is equal to 4. Remind yourself, what does that need to look like? It needs to be a horizontal line going through all the values where y is equal to 4. But x is equal to -2. All the x values must be -2. That's a vertical line going through x is equal to -2. Where do they meet? Right there. Now how do we describe that point where they meet? Well, they meet at the coordinate point -2, 4. The point of intersection is -2, 4. Okay, so that's a wee introduction to sketching y is equal to any value and x is equal to any value. Thanks for watching.